Hello students, trigonometry, class 4. Let's revise the concepts. Video 1. Basic trigonometric formulas. Let's revise video 2. Relationship between trigonometric ratios. Let's revise video 3. Trigonometric values table. Basic values 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Coming to the class 4, some more formulas I'm going to introduce to you and example problems which is related to the trigonometric values table. Formulae: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is the relationship between sine and cos. The square of sine plus the square of cos is equal to 1. Very, very important formula. And after simplifying this formula, we are getting the relationship between sine and cos. Sine in terms of cos and cos in terms of sine. That is, if you transpose that cos square theta to the right hand side, that converted into minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then sin theta equal to square converted into square root, that is sin theta equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. And this is the formula of sine in terms of cos, and now I am going to write it on that cos in terms of sine. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, the same formula I taken here. Now I transpose sine square to the right hand side, that is plus sin square theta converted into minus sin square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Square converted into square root, then cos theta equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. This is theta. Next, another formula. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Previously, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and this formula secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. That formula is in the form of sin and cos, sin and cos, and this is secant and tan trigonometric ratio. Same, I transpose the tan square minus tan square theta to right hand side, that converted into plus secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Again the square converted into square root, that is secant theta equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. And this is the condition to secant theta in terms of tan. Secant theta in terms of tan. Another way, tan theta in terms of secant is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta, if you transport to this side, RHS side, then convert it into minus secant square theta. That is, already minus is there for tan. So minus tan square theta equal to plus secant square theta converted into minus, then 1 minus secant square theta. Now If you multiply with the minus sign, then it converted into place, that is minus into minus plus tan square theta. If you multiply with the minus to this one, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into minus plus, that is secant square theta minus 1. Then tan theta equal to, that is a square converted into square root, then tan theta equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. This is another formula. And third one, relationship between cosecant and cot. First one sine and cos, second one secant and tan, and third one cosecant and cot, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Same, cosecant theta in terms of cot, that is cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, that is minus converted into place, then square converted into square root, that cosecant theta equal to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. And next one, cot theta in terms of cosecant, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, then minus cot square theta, then now I am transposing the cosecant square to this side, then plus convert to minus, then minus, already cot square theta has minus sign, then minus cot square theta equal to 1 minus cosecant square theta. Next, that if you are multiplying with the minus sign, that converted into plus, minus into minus plus, then minus into plus minus 1, then minus into minus plus. That is cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Then cot theta equal to square converted into square root, then square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. That is in terms of cot, in terms of cosecant. These are the formulas, very very important formulas. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Three formulas, and the relationships are very very important. This relationship, it's better to remember because of further fast calculations purpose. And next example problem, by using trigonometric values step. Evaluate cos 60 degrees, cot 45 degrees minus secant 30 degrees by tan 45 degrees plus sin 30 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees. Solution. Here already we learned about the trigonometric values table. Then in that table find out the cos 60 value. What is the cos 60? Cot 45, secant 30 degrees. Substitute that values in the given problem. Simplify it, and then you can get the solution. That is the process to do the problems. Now coming to the solution, that cot 60, the problem I taken here again, I substituted the values here. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. This is you should very familiar with the table. This is very very important. If you are remembering the values at a stretch, it's very easy to calculate, and you can save the time. Cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2, cot 45 equal to 1, minus secant 30 equal to 2 by root 3. By tan 45 is 1, sin 30 1 by 2, cosecant 60 2 by root 3. After substituting values, the problem converted into this one. So if you are observing this, numerator contain 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by 3, and denominator contain 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2 by 3, minus 2, both are same. Numerator and denominator are same, then you can cancel the terms, then answer equal to 1. But in some cases, it may not cancel, At that time you should take the LCM and simplify the problem. Now both terms equal, just I arrange the terms in order way. 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3, and same 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 as usual. So cancel the terms, then answer equal to 1. This is the method you should do the problems, which is depending upon the trigonometric values table. Now practice the problems. Evaluate sin 45 by cosecant 60 minus secant 30 degrees. Evaluate sin 45 degrees by cosecant 60 minus secant 30 degrees. Evaluate cosecant 60 minus secant 30 degrees. Evaluate tan 45 degrees by sin 90 degrees minus cos 60 degrees. Evaluate secant 45 degrees by sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Evaluate cos 0 degrees minus sin 0 degrees by sin 90 degrees plus cos 90 degrees. Evaluate sin 30 degrees minus cos 30 degrees by cos 60 degrees minus sin 60 degrees. These are the problems. Simply you should read the trigonometric table and you should substitute the values here, then you can solve the problem. Okay students, thank you.